So the journey started, I believe, in and around when I was 10 years old. This is when I think we officially launched Chance to Shine, or Street Chance, street cricket. And that was the first time we really got introduced to street cricket.
You need to play a straight shot and make sure you touch and run too. Anything on the leg, leave it.
I think we won many, many years ago when we had it in Birmingham. But ultimately, it's not about winning for us. We would love to win. We'd love to lift that trophy. But ultimately, we're here supporting everyone as well. So regardless of who wins, we're going to cheer them on. So Chris Munden was the first individual that we came across from GCB at the time, now GCF, the federation. This is a testament to the foresight of Chris, because he saw that we're from these schools that traditionally don't have a lot of coaching. You know, the private schools, they have cricket coaches, they have Saturday games. We didn't have a structured cricket program, but he saw that there was not so much just on a talent basis, but there was a lot of enthusiasm. And he saw the value of keeping youth occupied with playing cricket. Myself, I'm a working professional. I work at the moment for Market Access, a trading platform of fintech. I work within the internal audit and advisory team. And I've only been able to get to that position because at the beginning, someone had spent time with me. This street had worked a lot on my soft skills. So everything that I've learned and now used in a professional setting, key things such as leadership, working as a part of a team, effective and impactful communication. And it's because I've learned those skills here at Street, and now I've been able to transfer those into a professional setting. Put my tongue out. Oh, yes! Well played, Birmingham lads.
Happy with that one, yeah?
Thank you.
Oh,
in. Listen.
There's 30 there, yeah? We've defended before.
Yeah, every game.
Again. If you want to defend, this is the game you defend. Yeah, you want to get the trophy, not the medal.
Well done.
The trophy, everyone, 100%.
Come on, boys, come on.
It's ours to lose it. They haven't got a single batsman now.
Yeah.
Don't change anything. Do not change anything.
Professional.
Yes! No! No, no, no! Yeah! Come on! Come on! Yes! Yeah! Come on!
We win together, we lose together. Everyone's contribution is valuable. And most importantly, you fought to the death. Like I said, you lose, but you lose trying. That's what life is about. And you showed that on the pitch. It's my last one, but I'll be coaching you next time. Well done, lad. That's what life is about, right? You're not always going to get great feedback. You're not going to get those promotions. You're not going to get that first role, that first thing that you apply for. Life is always about how you deal with those setbacks. It's about coming together, having a good day, and building those connections. A lot of these lads will now be coming down to Bristol, and we'll be hosting them there. We'll be coming up to Birmingham. So it's about continuing that relationship that we built. It was a great way, great send-off. I believe I didn't deserve the player of the tournament. I sincerely think it went to my teammate Maheen, but look, we won as a team. I'm really happy and proud of the boys, and as I said, I will be back as a coach, hopefully, if they'll have me, fingers crossed. But yeah, it was a great experience, and thanks to Edgbaston for having us.